Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Transmitting the station right here. And today I gotta talk about huge units of the Norfolk Southern. Today, anyways, I like 5 SD70 ACEs and 5 ES44 ACs of the Norfolk Southern huge units. Number 1, I like the Central Georgia, the Interstate, Lye Valley, Nickel Plate Road, and I like the fifth one is I'm trying to think of it. Calmer then. And then with the 5 SD70 ACEs, I like the Illinois Memorial, 1069, New York Central, Georgia Central Lines, and what's the last one? Penn Central. Okay, Penn Central. Those are my 5 SD70 ACEs and ES44 ACs Hildred units of the Norfolk Southern. Comment below which 5 Hildred units you like the best out of 20 Hildred units. And that will be it for this video. See ya.